Hi y'all, today we are going to be reviewing the Big 7 strategy for division. So, one thing that I need to remind y'all about is when we use the Big 7 strategy, we have a different symbol for division than we're used to when we're seeing our problems written out. So, if I have this problem, 65 divided by 5, it's not going to be written in this same order. Instead, I'm going to use my long division sign, and I'm going to write the 5 on the outside and the 65 on the inside. In 3rd grade, you will only ever see the big number on the inside. When you get into the upper grades in middle school, you'll see this flipped. But for now, a good way to check your work is knowing that your big number is going to be on the inside and your little number is going to be on the outside. Okay? Now, I'm going to turn my long division symbol into a big 7. Okay? Remember, the big 7 is all about using our friendly numbers. Friendly numbers are special to you. They are numbers you can skip count by. For most of us, our friendly numbers are 10, 5, 2, and 1. Okay? If you can use any of these numbers, you will be able to solve any Big 7 problem. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 times, I'll start with my biggest friendly number, 10. 5 times 10 is 50. Then I'm going to subtract down, and I'm going to get 5 minus 5 is 0, or 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. 15. Okay. I know that 50 is going to be too big, so I don't want to try 10 again. Maybe I'll try 5. So I can put a 5 down. 5 times 5 is 25. Uh-oh! 25 is bigger than 15, so I know that 5 won't work. So I'm going to remember to erase the 25 and remember to erase my 5 because it didn't work. And then I'm going to go to 2. I'm going to do 5 times 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. That's smaller, so I can subtract down. 15 minus 10 is 5. And now I want to get rid of a 5, which is the same number I'm multiplying with. So I know I use the 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And this 0 in Big 7 tells us to add my side together. So 10 plus 2 is 12, plus another 1 is 13. And when I do Big 7, my answer is always going to go on the top. So it's 13. 65 divided by 5 is 13. Let's try another one all together. Okay, for this strategy, for this time that we're going to solve together, I'm going to do 48 divided by 4. I'm going to draw my big 7. 48 goes on the inside, 4 goes on the outside, and my friendly numbers are 10, 5, 2, and 1. Okay, I'll multiply by my biggest friendly number first, 10. 4 times 10 is 40. 48 minus 40 is 8. Okay, if I do 4 times 5, that's going to be 20. That's too big, so I know that I can't use that. So I'm going to try 2 next. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, so that does work. And then the 0 tells me I add my side. 10 plus 2 is 12. And then my 12 always goes on top when I'm using the Big 7 strategy. Okay. Next, I'm going to tell y'all to pause and solve one on your own. In this case, I'm going to do 33 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3. Go ahead and pause the video and solve it on your own. Okay, if you have already paused the video and solved it, then watch here and check your work. Draw my big 7. 33 goes on the inside. 3 goes on the outside. My friendly numbers are 10, 5, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm going to multiply by my biggest friendly number first, 10. 3 times 10 is 30. 33 minus 30 is 3. And I have a 3 by itself, so now I'm going to multiply by 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 10 plus 1 is 11, and my 11 goes on the top.